Hogzilla Barbecue. Welcome to the show. This week, gonna do some Mongolian beef. Sort of. Hey y'all, so this week we're going to do my kind of a take on Mongolian beef. Basically a stir fry rice with some pepper beef on top of it. First we're going to cut up this chuck roast. It's a good universal meat for doing stuff like this. I'm going to start by cutting it what I call down the highway, which are all these roots of fat. Cut along there and then cut it in pieces where we can get a good cross cut against the grain. Bite size, you know. All right. Are you ready?
Are you ready? Feels good.
Are you?
Okay, Jackie Chan, let's get on with it.
All right, here we go. So we'll go right down the middle first. It's the big one. It actually goes all the way through that. So get that piece separated. Then you see there's another one like that. And we're gonna marinate this for an hour or so in some baking soda. And I'm also going to have cornstarch in there. That's going to help with the sauce later. It's also going to give it help it brown when we're cooking it on the Blackstone. Cornstarch is really good for that. All right, it's looking pretty good. So we're going to get this cut up. We also got some onions, peppers. Got a couple of jalapenos we're gonna cut up in this, and we'll get it put together. I've already got the rice cooked. You want to cook your rice and put it in the fridge. Lets it dry out, makes it better for stir fry. All right, so let's get this going. Let's start with this ugly piece here. Like I say, just little bite-sized pieces. Let them marinate. Chuck roast is kind of universal, man. You can use it for a lot of stuff. All right, we'll get this cut up. We'll check back in a little bit later. All right, so we got our meat cut up into some nice cubes. We're gonna put in our baking soda. It's like a tablespoon, maybe a little bit more. And that's supposed to help marinate the meat. Baking powder, that's gonna give us the crispy little brown texture. Plus it's gonna help out with the sauce later. And now we need some liquid. I'm gonna put a little lime juice in. And about a tablespoon. Some light soy, a couple of tablespoons of that. That's our salt. So something like that. Just a splash of rice wine vinegar. And a quarter cup of vermouth. All right. So we're going to stir this up, let it go for a bit, at least an hour. What I saw on TV, you said you can't really over marinate it. I think it can make it rubbery if you do. So this will go for at least an hour, and we'll get the veggies cut up and everything else. All right, cool.
Buckle up, boys and girls. It's gonna be a bumpy ride.
All right, y'all, so we got the meat marinated. We got our fried rice. It's been in the fridge several hours. It's not fried rice yet, our yellow rice. I got some egg here. The rice, I've got some chopped onions and chestnuts in it. And we're gonna do the rice first, and then we'll bring the meat and the veggies out and do them. So I'm gonna put out a little bit of oil down. There you go. There you go. We got the burners on high. I'm going to turn them to medium. This will only take a few minutes. I'm going to give it a little low sodium soy sauce. Ooh, yeah, baby. Just stir it up and heat it up. It smells good already. Get a little color on there. All right. Go in with our egg. Pour a bowl down. 3 eggs. Beat. And scramble those up into the rice. Will be good. Eggs about done. Getting stirred into the rice. All right. That is done. All right, next the meat. it all separated. A little more soy. Oh, it's gonna be good. Got some good looking veggies here. Kind of want to let this stay at about a medium cook. You don't want to overdo it. About it right there. So we'll slide these over and get a little carryover. Straight down. Now we got a little bit of a sauce that we're going to put on this after we put it together. It's got cornstarch to thicken, soy, just basic flavoring, brown sugar, and gochujang, Korean chili paste. Make it go to the John.
What the fuck was that?
What are you talking about? That's our sauce. Oh, you can smell this. Holy crap. Oop, we got a deserter. right, y'all. So we're gonna put this in a pan, take it inside, throw it in the oven, keep it warm until it's time to eat. All right, peace out.
All right, y'all. There you go. Too easy. It was delicious. You can do all this in a frying pan on the stove. You don't need a Blackstone Griddle. It does help, though. Thank you for hanging out. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like, notification bell. God bless you. God bless this country.